Hello everybody, Mr. Max Dom One. How y'all doing? Welcome back. Today I want to do a video of an unboxing. This is half my order, just to let you know. Apparently the other half is back ordered. Hey, get away from here. Yeah. Sorry about that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this. This is going to be the Milwaukee 3-drawer Packout. I got 2 of these, and I got 2 of the 2 drawers, which I'm waiting for because they're on back order. So let's go ahead and get this. It's already open. Okay, there's one. Cardboard. It's nice that they actually pack them all together and not separate boxes. So that's a good thing. Okay, let me turn around here. So probably as you notice on YouTube already, there's already been some people already doing reviews on these. A couple of things come to mind that they don't go over. So we're gonna. So that's nice and oh, that's nice. Yeah. Pop that open. Slide that right in there. So let's see. Oh, dumb me trying to open the top. Okay. So you do get your parts, and this is where the first part I wanted to find out, because with the long ones, everybody's putting them in this way. So I want to know if they'll go this way. And as I can see, these will not go. They're going to be short. They're going to be, let me get my tape measure and we'll measure how short they are. They are about 3 3/4 short. And that's measuring inside, not with the piece here. It's going by the inside. That I have an issue with because by the looks of it, this is shorter than this. See where I'm going? Because if you have something that's long, it's not going to fit this way. So that's why I was wondering if they would have pieces long enough to go across this way, so then you can individually put them in like that. That's my theory. So that way you don't have to use these for here or here as much. But since I've got this open, I'm going to go ahead and take some measurements so you can get a better idea on if it's, well, obviously it's not going to be square. It's going to be more rectangular. So obviously you're going to have more room this way than you do this way. So going this way, 16, just shy of 16 and a half, just shy. And then just shy of 12 3/4 on that one. So that gives you a rough ballpark of what the dimensions are. So you're definitely going to be longer this way. But since I've got 2 of these, I've got 2 sets of these. So I can actually use 2 of these drawers with the dividers with them. And the best thing about this is that I have the dolly system, which is kind of tucked away right now. But this way I can actually put this on my dolly and do a 360. I can do whatever. But they do pull out. They do have a little bit of a lock detent. So there is a little bit of a pull. I like the fact that this goes in, which is a little tight. And there you go. Um, these I was these are just straight plastic. They're not like the other ones where it's got a reinforced hole in them. But let me see one of my locks. I got multiple locks. I want to try one of my big thick locks. I want to see if it'll fit here. I'll be right back. So here's my Stanley big thick. I don't know what the dimensions. I want to say this is like a 5/8 diameter, maybe a half. I can't remember what the diameter of this is. Well, that fits, but it's obviously not going to give me the rotation, so I might have to go up. Yeah, see, that's not going to be long enough. So it's not long enough for it to go up and then turn into it. So this one's not going to work. So So I've got one of these Brinks. I got these as like a 4-pack with, it's for one key. This one might work. Barely. That one barely works. So that's going to tell me that you're going to need a lock that's long, not short. So let me go if I can get a longer one. Okay, so now I got a longer one. So to show you, that one, maybe a 1/2 inch. This one's probably going to have 3/4 to maybe a full inch of clearance. No, excuse me. So there's an idea of what it's going to look like. So you're definitely going to have more room with this lock here. So we're going to just go ahead and slide it on. So now that lock actually works. The only downside is it's actually not thick enough. There's a lot of play in that. So, and it looks like you can't really rotate. So the thing of it is, you might have to put this in a position where it's easy to get to unlock it, because it's not going to let you rotate it. So it's not going to let you rotate it like this. And so that's another thing to think about when you're putting these locks on. You might want to put them upside down like this and then lock it. That way it's easy to get to the key. Because like I said, once you put it on there, it's not going to want to turn or twist. So there's something else to think about, is finding the lock that you can actually, use. So I'll put these right over here for now. But as far as everything else, I mean, it looks pretty solid. I'm not going to complain. Looks like it is a little damaged though, right here. So I don't know if that's from transporting it or not. But yeah, I got a little bit of a damage here. And you can even see it's kind of bent. So, yeah. Like I said, it's, what it is. And I'll figure out what I want to do with it. I'm still trying to figure out what all I want to put in these. But I'm definitely want to probably put a lot of my M12 batteries in here. So probably use one drawer here for nothing but my M12s. And I've only got 2 M18 batteries, so I might be also to be able to put that in there. Also, while I have you here, let me go ahead and try something else, because that's also another thing that people want to know as well. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So I have the original M8 or M12 power charger, just the standard basic one. This should fit. So I'm just going to give you an idea. So it does fit, does close. So maybe you might want to be able to somehow incorporate this into here. Now it might be a little difficult to put it like on this side because of the cord. So you might want to have to maybe put it up here with the cord somewhere. You know, and see, that's another thing. So you might want to actually only have here, and you might want to have these sectionals and have this all cut out. So and you can't do that because you don't have any of these long enough where you can do that, and you can't do this because then it's going to be in your cord and stuff. So like I said, I really wish they would have made one this way as well, because that really would, because then if you think about it, I got this charger, I put this in here, then I could probably put a sectional piece here, and then a sectional piece here, and then run a piece here, and then I can have a big section open for something like that. Otherwise, I think I'd probably have to leave this out or not even use these dividers. But I'm sitting here looking. I'm going to give you all a better close-up look on these longer ones, so you can see what I'm talking about as far as the sections. If you can see the sections here, it almost looks like you could cut this, but I don't know if I would recommend it, because these look like one solid piece across the top and the bottom. But just by looking in the centers, it almost looks like you can put something in the center of it. Let me get one of these smaller pieces. So it almost looks like you can actually put pieces in the center of it. So this might be, let me see. Okay, so that goes there. So yeah, okay, so that does go for that. Okay, my bad. Okay, that's what those are for. Those are for to slide these into each sections. Okay. So we'll get this out of here. Like I said, I'm probably going to be playing with this a little bit, figure out what I want to do with it. But like I said, I'm probably going to put at least one of these as a full thing, so I can put batteries in it. So here's my first impressions, unboxing of the Milwaukee Packout 3-drawer system. Hope this video comes out. If you like it, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a Forever Like fan, please hit that Forever Like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. It lets you know when I post another video. And don't forget to hit that bell, because that's also going to let you know that I posted another video. So have a good one. Ride safe, be safe, stay away from that coronavirus. Peace.